chart we're looking at right now is the ETF for gold, GLD. GLD, should call the market kind of ran up here. This is what I'm looking to do. This is actually what I did just about 5 minutes ago, got filled. Basically, I'm looking to own this at $128.50. Okay, that would be a pullback right back to the 50 exponential moving average, right? This hot pink line is the 50 exponential moving average. Take it a step further, I want to draw the fibs from this pivot low, this low here, up to this high. And as you can see, that 50% mark, right, the 50% retracement from this low to this high, right, the 50% is right smack dab 128.5, right, 128.5 at that 50 exponential moving average. And by the time the market's able to pull back down that far, I can guarantee you that will be right in between that mid to lower band here as well. So we've got some good support at 128.5. So what I did was I popped up my option chain and I took a look at it. I'm like, you know what? I'm going to wait for the pullback, but why not get paid for waiting for that pullback? So what I did was, and as you already know, I like to get the closest to expiration as possible, right? So this Friday, August 23rd, I sold the puts. I sold the puts that expire this Friday, August 23rd, for the gold, right? And I sold them at, only got 32-cent premium, not a whole lot, but 32 cents is better than nothing, right? So I'm going to collect 32 cents, and it expires August 24th, 23rd rather, this Friday, the 23rd, to own it at 128.5. So that's where I'm at now. Collected 32-cent premium, so on every 10 contracts, be 320 bucks. Not a lot. I mean, look, if you had 10, you'd own 1,000 shares at 128.5 if you put the ETF, which is a lot of money, right? So it's all relative. It's all relative to your accountant. So if you can only do one, sell one, that's great. You collect $32 while waiting for it. So if the market never pulls back, you don't own it, but at least you collect the premium. So that's what I've done on gold this morning for those exact reasons that I just outlined. Another thing, another trade that I just put on is Apple. Now, am I angry that I'm not long Apple now? Yes. Well, I was selling puts last week. I collected the premium. They expired last Friday. I don't own the stock, but I did collect the premium, so I did make money. This is what I'm doing. This is what I did actually this morning was I want to own Apple now at $500 a share. Okay? I want to put my foot in the water here at 500, trading at 511.17. Pulled up an option chain this morning when it opened up. We've got a chain that expires on the 23rd, this Friday, right? This Friday. So this is exactly what I did. I sold August 23rd, 500, right? 500 to get put at 500 if it closes below 500 by Friday, and I collected not a bad premium, $3.10 I collected on that. So I sold a $3.10 premium in Apple that expires on August 23rd to own it at $500 a share. Okay, this market is broken big time up through 500. As you found out last week, Carl Icahn bought this market. That's what took it up big time here. So we've got some smart money in play here. The market's definitely looks like it's bottomed. So again, instead of just waiting for that pullback, I'll collect some premium on the way down. If I'm not put the stock, at least I made something on this trade. Let's look at some other levels. Fib levels, I'm going to measure from low to high. Now, these are bigger pullbacks, right? Much bigger pullbacks. So I'm going to measure from this low to high. I'm also going to want to measure from this low to high. And then really the last swing I would want to measure is from this low here to high here. Again, let me explain it. Drew it from this low, right, to this high. And then I took this pivot low to high, and then I took this low. So we've got a lot of different levels. We've got some Fibonacci confluence at 38.2 and the 61.8 way down here, but that's at 476. And then we've got confluence, well, really between the 61 and the 50 of that move, which is way down here at 453. I don't think we're going to see those levels anytime soon. But if the market is in fact able to pull back to those in the next couple of months, I would certainly be looking to add or at least get net long this. So what I'm going to do in the interim is I'm going to, since you got weekly options on Apple, each week what I'll do is I'll find my sweet spots where I want to sell the puts, and I'll just collect that premium as I'm waiting for this market to pull back. So that's what I'm doing. So again, instead of waiting for the market to pull back over 11 points, I just sold that. I sold some puts there. So that's what I did there. Let's just take a real quick look at TBT. This thing's on a tear. It is just on the move. And as I think you already know, I sold expires September 20 to own it at 76 and 72. Both of these not bad. I collected, or I'm looking to collect on this trade, what, $1.44 in premium here at the 76, and at 72 I believe I collected $1.29. So that's what I'm looking to collect there. So again, to own it 76, to own it 72, collected or looking to collect the full 144 in premium there, and $1.29 in premium there at 76, 72. Look, we're trading close to $82 a share right in here. So that's where I'm at. If you've got any questions, let me know. Have a profitable day, and I will be back with you tomorrow. Bye for now.